It happened so fast. And then, all you could hear, for miles around, chainsaws. Now, I didn't say we had one. We had a sawzall. And that's what he used. At times, it seemed it would get stuck. But I had total faith in him and knew he would cut it down one way or another. He would cut the tree down. He did have other options. Skill saw, jigsaw, handsaw. There was always some other option, but I had total faith in him. Slowly, the tree began to come down. Now, mind you, Chris is a little crazy, so I had to prepare myself for whatever he thought up. And there it was. Bang. Oh yeah, a fire. Chris likes fire. And we knew he'd get the tree down. Somehow, that tree was going to make it into that fire. So there I was, watching the flames, and the man I love pouring gasoline on it. Just, I had to keep in mind not to underestimate him, or him being crazy. And that's our story. The night the tree came down. The end.